Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
One of the simplest ways to manually flush your toilet is pouring a bucket of water into the toilet bowl. Fill a bucket with at least 1 gallon of water. Begin by pouring the water into the bowl, slowly at the beginning while gradually speeding up, and dump the remainder of the water into the bowl. 20 October 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Do not pour boiling water down your sink or toilet. This can melt PVC piping and pipe seals, causing serious damage. In addition, using boiling water to clear a clogged toilet can melt the wax ring around the toilet, or even crack the porcelain bowl, leading to a pricey trip to your favorite hardware store. 2 January 2018.
Take our lead.
Hot water and dish soap. When the water is extremely hot, but not boiling, pour into the toilet carefully. Wait for 10 to 15 minutes while the dish soap and hot water soften the clog. Once you do so, the toilet will unclog and flush freely. 18 December 2018.
Let's help you make your mark.
Since there is no handle, you must reach into the tank water and manually lift up the rubber flap. The toilet will flush as normal and the rubber flap should return to its original place over the hole on its own. The tank should fill with water again. 4 February 2011.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.